Hi guys, we're going to have a little go at some decimal subtraction here. So if we have a little look, we have looked at this sort of thing before. There's two things we can do here. One is to make 2 into a decimal number with 2 decimal places to match 0.15. We've got the tenths and the hundredths there. So we could do this as a subtraction, where we exchange this 1 for 10 tenths and then use one of those, leaving 9 behind, to exchange for 10 hundredths. So then we're doing 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 1 is 8. Hopefully you're screaming at the camera saying, you haven't put your decimal point in there. If you did, well done. Then 1 take away 0 is 1. Okay. So that's that done, but we could have done it where you're doing 2, you're aiming for 2 by counting up from 0.15. So you would have done 5 onto this to make 10 hundredths, and then that becomes 1/10. So you've already got 2 tenths there with this one, so that means you've got another 8 to make into the next whole one. Can you see they add up to 9, they add up to 10, so this is 1 less than you're aiming for. And then here, where you're aiming to get up to 2, again you want 1 less than you were aiming for, 1 less than the 2. Okay, that's building on some other work that we've already done, so hopefully you remember that. Ooh, I've made a mess of that, haven't I? Let's see if I can get rid. There we are. What a mess. Use a board rubber, Mr. Rice. Okay. So, looking at the next one, if we're having a go at 4, take away a 3 decimal place number, we need 0.136. So again, we could do the subtraction where we're exchanging that for 3, and then that'll become 10, which gets crossed out, and 9, and so on and so on. Or if we're going to do the number bond method, we know this needs to add up to 10, so that will be 4. This needs to add up to 9, so that'll be 6. This needs to add up to 9, so that'll mean it will be 8. And this needed to be 1 less than the target number, so it should be 3. Okay, and if you'd have done that with subtraction, you'd have found that'd be the same. Okay, if you get stuck, give me a shout.